What's going on, folks? Welcome back once again to Cryptoticator. It's time to talk about the Solana meme coins, guys, because the Ethereum blockchain is getting expensive. A lot of liquidity is flowing into Solana blockchain, and that is being reflected on the price action itself. You can see that Solana is above $250, and maybe it'll keep on rolling to the upside all the way towards maybe $400, $500 down the line, right? And well, a lot of liquidity flowing from Binance Smart Chain into Solana as well. So what we can expect is that this meme coin universe built on top of Solana could be your initial beneficiaries, guys. If you talk about the meme coins, the Solana meme coins could essentially pick up in the coming months, right? Which is why, guys, this video is going to be a comprehensive tutorial as to how to navigate your way through the Solana ecosystem just to buy these meme coins, right? Just to buy these meme coins. Now, before we jump onto the content, guys, remember, this is not a financial advice. These are meme coins, and this is highly speculative, highly risky. If you jump into these meme coins with your entire savings, you have to keep one thing in your mind, that you could lose it all, guys. You could simply lose it all, right? So be a responsible investor, be a responsible money manager as well. Just do not take your entire stash and put it into Solana meme coins and watch it go to zero, maybe. I don't know, something like that, guys. Look, but the higher probability lies towards the fact that maybe meme coins could start picking up. With that said, with that aside, let's take a look at Phantom, guys. So all you have to do is you won't believe, guys, for this video I'm using Edge right here. It's been a very long time, but yep, I'm using Edge. Now all you have to do is you have to search Phantom app in your search engine, and then you have to jump into the website, guys. You can use Phantom extension for Chrome, Brave, Firefox, and Edge. For this one, I'm going to be using Edge right here, guys. And with that, you would be greeted with the download page right here, the Chrome extension page. Essentially, you could be simply adding this to your browser right here, and this gets added. Then you will be greeted with this page right here. Essentially, as soon as your extension gets added right here, you will have the first welcome page for Phantom app itself, and then you might want to go ahead. You want to create a wallet right here. I'm going to be simply copying all of this seed phrase right here. It's going to be hidden for the video. And okay, I saved it somewhere. I'm going to be creating a short-term password for this video right here. And oh my god. And then bam, you go, guys. I think we are set. So essentially your Phantom wallet takes less than a minute to set up, right? And this is the wallet. Essentially, this is the only wallet which you'll use to navigate through your Solana ecosystem as a whole. Yes, guys, there are certain other wallets as well. You can talk about Slope wallet, you can talk about Coin98, a multi-chain wallet, you can talk about Blockto, you can talk about Solid extension as well. Everything but MetaMask is probably there for Solana ecosystem, guys, but I would be sticking to Phantom wallet, guys, because this is the snappiest wallet of all time, guys. I've been using these crypto wallets for a very long time in Solana ecosystem, in Ethereum ecosystem, in BSC ecosystem, but nothing beats Phantom wallet for good, guys. Let me give you a little demonstration right here. Let me open a Phantom wallet right here, and let me try sending some Solana right here. So just hit copy, and I'm going to my other wallet. I'm going to be pasting the address right there, and then I'm going to be sending 0.1 Solana, right? And send. Let's see how long it takes to reach right here, and bam, you go. There you go, guys. There you go. Have you ever seen a wallet this fast? I mean, I have not done that, guys. I've never seen any wallet doing this fast transaction. Now, this is as fast as Visa or something like that, maybe faster than Visa itself, guys. Now let's send some USDC as well, because we got to buy some shit coins with the USDC, right? Look, guys, to buy these meme coins in Solana ecosystem, just to interact with all of these DeFi protocols like Raydium or Dexlab for that matter, you need to have Solana as your fuel, guys. You need to have Solana as your spending asset, right? This is going to be covering most of your transaction fees if you go for any swap. Now let's put in some USDT into this wallet. USDC real quick. Give me the public keys. Send USDC, paste, and 100 USDC, next, and send. man, that's taking a while, but yep, there you go. 5 seconds and we have our transfer, guys. Now this is the speed of Solana blockchain, right? For all of you who are new to Solana blockchain, this is what you should get used to, because this is not your Ethereum blockchain, guys. This is not your MetaMask transactions that are going to take 30 minutes or 1 hour or something like that. This is Solana for you. Magical, guys. Freaking magical is what it is, man. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. Okay, so in this video we'll take a look at WOOF right here. I hope all of you guys understood how to set up that Phantom wallet. It's a no-brainer. I think it's pretty easy to do that. Once you've done that, there are a couple of ways to buy these shit coins, right? Now, meme coins. Pardon me. Meme coins for that matter. But in this video, we'll talk about WOOF. We'll talk about CHEEMS, SDOGE, CATO. And do we have MEOW here as well? I don't think so. We don't have it. But guys, look, there are a couple of ways to do that. I think the most efficient way is going to be coming from Raydium itself, guys. Now, once you go to Raydium and you connect your Phantom app to this one right here, why is it not connecting? Hello. I think Hedge is Hedge is showing up some wrecked behaviors right now. Let me hit that refresh, guys. I'm kind of embarrassing myself because I thought this video is going to be very smooth and fast and whatnot, but it looks to me like, there you go. Finally, we got our wallet connected, guys. I'm not going to use Edge for my real life purposes, I guess, right? Okay. So what you have to do is, once you jump into Raydium, app.raydium.com, by the way, guys, links to everything will be in the description. You can check it out for yourself. You can take these things step by step, slowly according to your speed, and then you can finally swap these things, right? Now, essentially, the first thing you have to do is you have to go to the settings. You have to change the slippage tolerance to 1%, guys, at least 1%, right? Because, well, let's just say that these meme coins are not that liquid in the market, which is why if you have your slippage tolerance less than 1%, most likely your transaction is going to fail in the market. Now what you have to do next is that you have to just choose this one right here. Just click on Ray right here and then view token list and enable everything, right? Enable everything. Permissionless pool tokens, Solana token list. Now since we have done that, now most of the meme coins are going to be available to us, guys. Now let's talk about buying some WOOF at first. Let's say I want to spend $10 into WOOF. Woof right here. So essentially you'll be getting some sort of warning, I do believe, guys. I think, man, holy shit, taking Edge as my browser for this video was not really a good idea, right? It was not really a good idea. So there you go, guys. So 10 USDC is getting me 4,000 WOOF, which is a good deal, to be honest with you, as of now. And if we hit that swap button, let's see how long is it going to take. There you go. Now we have 4,020 WOOF in our portfolio, right? Look, guys, these things cannot be a financial advice, so you can do your own meme coin research as well, but essentially you can refer to the list of meme coins which I have right here as well. Now, let's take a look at other meme coins. What do we have? We have CHEEMS. Now, this is another dog crypto asset from Solana ecosystem, guys. You're going to be putting 5 USDC into CHEEMS. Swap and bam, right? Most likely it's going to take 5 seconds. Then I think we're going to be buying some SAMO as well, guys. Now SAMO is already quite up in the market, right? But essentially SAMO is also one of the good looking meme coins from our Solana ecosystem as a whole. There you go. Most of the slippage tolerance price impact is looking pretty fine, guys. The order books are quite liquid for these meme coins. This is quite surprising to me as well. But there you go. All of our swaps are like this. And let's see. Alright, guys. Now let's take a look at how much Solana did we burn to conduct all of these transactions, right? Just check it out, guys. I mean, essentially I conducted 3 to 4 transactions right here. Just $1, guys. Just a dollar right here for conducting all of these transactions. Whereas on Ethereum, you'll be scratching your head and you'll be wondering, where did my money go? Where did my money go? It went to all of those swaps. Okay. On the list we have SDOGE as well. We have SolDoge as well, guys. Now SolDoge is, well, as the name suggests, this is Dogecoin on Solana. Is it not? I don't know. Okay, now this is your warning for the pool, and I'm going to go ahead and confirm. Let's go for 5 USDC worth of SolDoge right here and hit that swap, right? There you go. Pretty snappy transactions, guys. Now let's take a look at the list right here. Got CATO as well. So let's finally, this is going to be the last asset that I'm going to be wasting my money. Look guys, essentially the meme ecosystem has just started picking up, so most likely this portfolio could work out as well. Now what I'll do is, just for you guys right here, I'm going to be pasting the address to this wallet in the video's description so you can track the wallet as well, right? You can do that as well for yourself guys. So let's see where these $50 to $100 are going to go towards, guys. I think I'm going to be putting $50 into this one, into this entire meme coin portfolio. I think look, since we have a couple of more assets right here, going to be putting in $5, 5 USDC into SolDoge. Hit that swap. Did we do that already, guys? I mean, I think we already bought SolDoge. Did we? Yes, we already bought that. I was about to buy that once again. That could have been disastrous, guys. Holy shit. Okay, what do we have up next? Let me just take a look at the list once again. We got MEOW as well, guys. Now, I think it should be on Raydium. Yep, there you go. There you go. This is Solana Cats. We're going to be putting $10 into Cats right here. Do we have any pool for MEOW? I don't think we have that on Raydium. I think I'll have to navigate through, let's say, another crypto exchange as a whole, another Solana exchange as a whole. Do we have CATO? Yes, obviously we have CATO. No, we have CATO, but we don't have MEOW on Dexlab. It looks to me like MEOW. All right, there you go. We have MEOW USDC as well. Alright guys, time for some demonstration on Dexlab right here, guys. Now, what is Dexlab? The only difference between Dexlab and Raydium is that this one is your DeFi protocol. This is like a swap protocol. You do have Dex on top of Raydium as well. You do have crazy amount of things right here. I think Dexlab is also kind of doing the same thing with minting lab, IDO, list your market balances swap and all that. But essentially Dexlab is directly, let's say, it derives its liquidity from Serum, guys. Now, every order book, every buy and sell, every bid and ask is coming from Serum order books, right? Which is why, guys, all of these assets have their liquidity on Serum, which is why Serum is also one of the good investment in the long term. But this is not a financial advice. This video is not about Solana ecosystem and its coins. I will do that as well, guys. Most likely in the long term, Solana will pick up. Solana will pick up for good. Okay, so what do we have right here? Let's kind of connect our wallet. Why is it not showing anything? I mean, let's kind of hit that refresh. Now guys, this video is quite sloppy. This video is quite sloppy because this video is unprepared. This is like a live streaming session for you guys right here. So even if you're watching this video in 2022, hit that like, right? Hit that like for more good for more upcoming content by 2023, I guess. Okay, let's connect our Phantom wallet to Dexlab. There we go. There we have our wallet connected. Now we have our balances here ready as well. Okay, now since we're going to be buying MEOWs, let's see, guys. Now the order book, right, just check it out, guys. The slippage is quite a bit. Now essentially this is quite a lot of slippage right here. Essentially your your first bid is sitting in at 0.4 times $03 right here, and your first ask is sitting at 0.4 times 8 right here. I mean, essentially you got a 200% slippage going on, man. Wow. Quite illiquid order books, which is why we saw this kind of massive gigantic candles. But guys, essentially if the project is quite genuine, if the project will pick up in the future, if there is legitimate team behind this entire situation, most likely they will carry this project forward, and this will turn into an NFT space as a whole, guys. Most likely this is what most of the meme coins are trying to do in the market. It's mostly related to your NFT market spaces, right? So, well, okay, I do believe if we spend 5 USDC right here for MEOW, well, it's not, well, the slippage is going to be a lot, guys. Most likely the slippage is going to be a lot. So let's see if we can hit that buy or not. I think the transaction, yep, there's one more thing about Dexlab, guys. The transaction fees on Dexlab, I think it's going to be it's going to be more than Raydium itself, guys. It's going to be more than Raydium, right? So transaction confirmed, and most likely we do have our MEOWs bought at the market price, right? I'm most likely at 8, guys, at 0.0008. Now, what do you have to do next once you hit that buy? It's not over yet. It's not over yet, guys. This is how DEXs work. Once you are done with the buying, you have to hit that settle button as well, which will cost you, I think it'll cost you somewhere on Solana network fees, and this is where you will get those meme coins in your Phantom wallet, right? Settling funds are settled. And do we have MEOW here? Do we have MEOW here? I think it's unknown, guys. All right, so MEOW is kind of unknown to Phantom wallet as a whole. But what you can do is, look, guys, now there you go. The balance is kind of reducing right here because of, #1, the fees, and crazy amount of fees were spent on Dexlab, which is why it is recommended to use Raydium swap, guys, because Raydium will not have these kind of crazy fees, guys. Dex, they do have their own settlement fees, they have their own trading fees as well, which is why you have to spend some crazy amount of Solana in this one. That is something which I did for you guys right here. So hit that like, bell, subscribe, and all of those good things, guys. So do that as well, right? Just do that. Okay, now since you can't see MEOW right here, what you have to do is essentially just simply click on this one right here. You have their address copied. Go to sonar.watch, right, and simply paste your wallet address onto the search bar right here. Hit enter, and it'll show up, guys. Everything, all of your meme coins are gonna be here, right here in front of you, and this is how you can simply track all of your meme coins in one single go, guys. Now still I don't see MEOW right here. I think I'm gonna be hitting the settings right here and show unpriced tokens. I think there will be this one is still I mean, I do believe it was showing up on my other wallets, guys, but for some reason Soulcats are not showing up. So if any developer from Soulcats is watching this video right here right now, just make sure you get this shit going, man. Come on, just take care of this, right? I mean, just do it. Just do it for good. Okay, now what else do we have in terms of a meme coins right here? We got Parrot as well, but I don't think it's a meme coin. Parrot has a real DeFi utility behind it, guys. Parrot is a good DeFi protocol which is on Solana as well. Love my black coffee, man. I mean, I totally love black coffee, guys. Hit that like if you do drink black coffee as well. Just do that as well. Okay, Bamboo is a panda on Solana blockchain, guys. Another meme coin which is down quite a bit. I know it could pick up, it could simply keep on rolling down, but I know, guys, I think the sellers have dissipated from the market. If the Solana meme coin system has to pick up for good, most likely this will also pick up for good. But I'm not gonna buy Bamboo from Dexlab, guys, because it's gonna cost me crazy amount of Solana. And if so, look, it's as clear as can get. Solana is kind of getting expensive in the market, right? It's getting into $300 ranges. Could get into 4 digits as well down the line. So things could start getting expensive for Solana as well if they are unable to integrate some other layers on top of at least the Dex transactions, guys, because Dex transactions, I'm not gonna lie, Dex transactions are not that Solana cheap, guys. Solana swaps are cheap. Essentially you go to Raydium, essentially you go to swap on Dexlab as well. Most likely it would be way cheaper, guys, but essentially swapping is way more cheaper than using the Dex itself. Even if you use the Dex on Raydium itself, that is not going to be as cheap as just simply swapping these crypto assets, right? Okay, I think we're going to be buying Bamboo. Do we have Bamboo on Raydium? BAM Bamboo. I don't think so, guys. I don't think so. We don't have it on Raydium, right? Could be on Dexlab. BAMB. Not here as well. So this is just a market which is listed on the Dexlab, guys. All right, the Dex itself. It is not on the swap page itself. It is on the Dex page, guys, which is why, well, you have to pay some extra bucks to get that, I guess, right? What else do we have, guys? All right, so let me know in the comments as well if you do know a good meme coin from Solana ecosystem as a whole. I would be really interested to take a look at that as well, because it's your meme trend in the market, guys. Now there's one more meme coin. It's called Stinks. I do believe it's called Stonks, right? And Trollbox as well. I do believe Trollbox must be here on Raydium. Let me just take a look at the ticker as well. Do we have any ticker for this one? Troll. I'm gonna be having a difficult time finding Trollbox on Raydium. Most likely it's not here. Most likely it is not here. So how did I buy Trollbox, guys? I think I'm going to be simply Googling this one. Well, Microsoft is not, but Google, I guess. But yeah, I think, guys, Trollbox is also one of those assets you can buy. Most likely it's on... Nope, it's not here as well. That's quite embarrassing. This video is quite unprepared, guys, to be honest with you. This video is quite unprepared, right? But I'll be adding all of those meme coins with the remaining balance, and I'll leave the wallet address down in the description so you can check it out for yourself as well. And let me know in the comments, guys. Let me know in the comments, right? Let me know whatever meme coin we should buy from the remaining USDC right here. And, well, I think this is pretty much it, guys. I hope you found out some value from this one, and be a responsible investor, right? Be a responsible trader and investor. Just don't jump into these meme coins with your entire stash at one single go. Just research something and just see for yourself if the team behind certain projects is good or not, and then maybe you can take your decision for that matter, guys. Okay, with that said, I'm going to be winding up this video right here, right now. I will catch all of you in the next video pretty soon. Bye for now.